In every friendship, there comes a moment that reveals who stays, who helps, and who truly understands. This is a story of three friends, a story of support, patience, and the courage to believe in someone who has almost stopped believing in himself. This is a test of friendship.
Bro, ba't parang malungkot ka? Parang may bumagsak na mat na naman ngayon ah.
Hindi nakakatuwa. Bukas na yung malaking exam at hindi ako makapag-aral.
May oras ka ba, Alex? Tutulungan ka na lang namin.
Ewan ko, lagi akong natataranta.
Natataranta? Parang sa Elsa sa Frozen?
Nakakatawa mo talaga.
Paginig ka kasi, marunong ka naman. Kailangan mo lang ng konting tulong. Nandito naman kami para sa'yo.
Oo, yan ang kaibigan.
Hindi ko talaga naiintindihan itong physics. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan itong physics.
Tignan mo kasi ito, parang puzzle lang. Hatiin mo sa gitna lahat ng steps. Diba?
Kaya gumawa na lang tayo ng kanta. P6, solving you is kanda, P6.
Huwag na.
Pag-focus ka, Alex. Kapag nakuha mo ang mga concept, mas madali na yung mga iba.
Uy, sa palagi ko nakuha mo.
Yes, ang galing ng tropa natin.
Sabi ko na sa'yo, kailangan nyo ng tiyaga at teamwork eh.
Salamat guys. Kailangan ko lang ito.
Yan ang friendship. Sabay tayong babagsak, sabay tayong aangat.
Wish me luck. Hindi mo kailangan ng swerte bro. Kaya mo go.
Oo, at kung bumagsak ka, sihin na lang natin yung teacher.
Try ko.
Salamat guys.
Tandaan mo, kahit ano pang mangyari, magkakaibigan pa rin tayong tatlo.
Oo naman, pre.
Pare.
In the end, it wasn't the exam that defined them, but the loyalty they showed, the patience they shared, and the promise that no one faced the struggle. Sometimes, the greatest lessons are not found in books or classrooms, but in the quiet moments when friends choose to stay. They walk forward, side by side. They carried with them something stronger than fear or doubt. A friendship doesn't pass the test.